babes? It's your girl Ebony back with another video here. So today I'm actually going to make my Valentine signature fresh strawberry body scrub that I've been making. This will make year 4 for Valentine's Day. I have one added ingredient to it though. I'll let you guys know what that is once we get started. So I'm going to show you guys step by step, okay? And, you know, some of you guys can make this at home. A lot of you guys buy from me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is kind of sort of like a DIY Valentine's body scrub. If you guys want to do any DIYs, I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are the ingredients that I have out ready to go for the fresh strawberry Valentine body scrub. I have grapeseed oil, avocado oil, organic coconut oil. I have Optifin Plus as a natural preservative. You want to preserve body scrubs. They are sitting in moisture. They're sitting in the shower. So it will be you know, bacterial growth if you don't use a preservative, preferably a natural preservative. I have vitamin E oil. I have the new ingredient, which is French pink clay, known as also kale and rose clay. Freeze-dried strawberry slices. I have a large glass bowl, Pyrex, I believe, or maybe not, but it is the 4-quart bowl. I have Clorox disinfecting wipes, which I already used on the countertop. I also use them on my jars and my bowl, as well as alcohol right after. I have a mortar and pestle. I have 7 glass 8-ounce jars that I'm going to, again, clean with the disinfecting wipe. And also the alcohol. I have a 25-pound bag of non-GMO Domino sugar. And then I also have 3 pairs of gloves because I do like to mix my scrubs by hand. And then when I wear 3 pair, it prevents holes from poking through, like my finger poking through. I have freshly washed hands. And I just moisturize them too because this weather, they don't like it. So, all right, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I did just finish disinfecting everything. Now this is one way that I measure out an exact amount of sugar that I'll need for my scrubs, or salt, depending on the scrub I am making. So this is the best way for me when I'm making it, since mostly I do small batches when I'm making products so that my customers are getting, you know, the freshest. So yeah, I'll do this. I do have a small scale, but I was too lazy to go get it. So this is one of the best ways to get exactly how much you would like. So I did go ahead and scoop that sugar in. So now what I'm going to do is crush up some of the sliced strawberries. I'm going to add that to the mortar and pestle. Having a hard time opening it up, the clay. So one way in the past that I used to crush up the freeze-dried strawberries, the first year, you know how it is, I would put it in like a sandwich bag and then like beat on it with a rolling pin or your hand, whatever you have on hand. You just make it happen. Make it work. Use what you got. I've used a blender before as well, but of course that comes with more cleaning than the sandwich bag or with the mortar and pestle. This is actually my first time doing it this way, and I really enjoyed it. I'm really hands-on creative, so as much as I can use my hands, the happier I am. It's like the more love and positive and good energy that flows through me can get into my products. So I am using grapeseed oil. I'm using this for its vitamin E, which does help retain moisture in the skin. Grapeseed oil is also known for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and also softens your skin. I also use avocado oil. It is very high in the good fats, and it is a heavier oil which does moisturize dehydrated skin as well as dry skin, which are two different things. I also love using coconut oil in my scrubs because it does give it a really creamy texture to the scrub, as well as balances the bad bacteria, so it balances the pH on your skin as well. I love using the organic version to get the best out of the coconut oil. I do recommend doing a patch test when using any type of product or oil that you're not sure how your skin is going to react to it. So let's get into the kaolin rose clay, which is a really gentle clay. It does not dry out the skin. It does draw out toxins, but it also provides your skin some softness and some moisture. Now, strawberries, they are very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good for evening out your skin tone. It does exfoliate the dead skin cells, so it cleanses your pores really well, so that your skin is ready to receive the maximum benefits of any other amazing natural products that you're going to add to your skin. It'll be able to receive those products better. Strawberries are also amazing to eat. So I do love using ingredients in scrubs that are amazing to ingest as well as applying to the skin. No, you can't eat this scrub, but you know, eating strawberries, it is a high water content. So it's really good for cleansing properties inside once you eat it inside your body. It's a really good detoxification as well. I'm adding more coconut oil to the scrub. Since I don't use any type of measuring cups anymore, I pretty much know how much of every ingredient to use. As well as for scrubs, I really do go off eyeball as well to go with, you know, the texture and the feel. That's why I like to use my hands, because I know exactly how much to use, but I also know exactly how it's supposed to feel on the skin, as well as the way the scrub is supposed to look. So I just mix that up really well, incorporate all of the coconut oil, all of the ingredients together, until everything is perfectly combined together and is married into one beautiful scrub. So here I'm actually adding more strawberries. I knew I needed more in the beginning. I just didn't want to overfill the bowl in the mortar and pestle. So here I crushed up more, and then I added it to the scrub. Once this is all mixed in, it's really giving the color it's supposed to give now, and the feel it's supposed to give, and the vibe. So again, I will have measurements in the description box below. So I'm just mixing this, and you can see it has this thick, really creamy, whipped type of texture. And I am here for it. It's so beautiful, and it smells amazing. So now our DIY fresh strawberry Valentine body scrubs are complete. You can see they are highly moisturizing. You can see the strawberries. Oh, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another Pearls Essentials Cosmetics video.